It will be teacher based. Different teachers will have their logins here. So if you are a teacher, you can log in. So for instance, my password given to me is this. So if I log in, so now I will have start edit button. So I can start a class by hitting start. Till I start a class, others how they will see? They will see it like this. This is another device. So sorry, yeah, see Damodar Das, there is nothing here. And let's see it in yet another device. This is without login. So you can see that I have not started the class, so nothing is seen here. So now let's get back to my device. This is my device, and when I start class, I have to press the start button. So now start is, so now it has become live, and now I have to press enter class button, so it will reach here. This is meeting. So usually if you're on phone, you can join in browser, or you may download app also. Once you download app from Play Store, and then every time it will go directly to app. Otherwise, right now I'm pressing join in this, and because this is a short class name, so I have to tell, because it is, I have to tick this, then join meeting. So now once it will ask for login also. Your Google login should work. Okay, so now this has started, the class has started, I am in the class. Now let's go to someone else's device. Now in a little while, in a few seconds, here is Damodar Das is live. Now in the devices of the students or anyone else, it will show it's live, and they can press enter class and enter the class. So now they have joined the meeting. They can see different viewers. Like this, there are several options which could be had. Let's see on another device also. Here again Damodar Das is live. Enter class. So now there will be 3 people in the meeting. Okay, so now there are 3 people in the meeting. Let's go back to my original device. This D Das is the teacher. So the class is started, and when you finish the class, then you can just finish it, close this box. What happened? Yeah. Sorry, in Chrome itself. We are in Chrome. Once you install the Jitsi app, then it will be less number of clicks. Then you have to press this stop so that your status as live is gone. So it's as simple as now everywhere. So yes, students have to also log out, and here now they will see my status as off. So now here you can say, for example, I wrote the name of subject or anything, you can write here and here, these two places, by pressing this button edit. So edit, my name is there, then research methodologies, I can write any of the subject name or anything, any instructions I want to write, I can write here, about timing, about anything. You can change your WhatsApp number, plus you should not put all other characters you should put. You can even change your meeting link. This is default meeting link on Jitsi platform, but you can put your permanent Zoom link here, or Google Meet link, or any other meeting link you can put here. And here you can put the link to a folder or any place where you have put your materials, any web page or a folder, Google Drive folder I have put here. So anyone who clicks it will see materials there. You can change any of these things in your thing and then press save, and it will be saved. And if you want to just delete yourself from the presence of the in the Vidyapeetham, then you can just press delete. So we'll cancel it here. I'll just show you the material thing, how the materials work. So here there is a materials button. If I click, then it will take to my Google Drive page. This is from the one of the students account, and when anyone who presses the material button will reach here in my Google Drive folder. Here I can place all my material, I can place my recordings to my lectures or whatever I want, I can do. This can be Google Drive, this can be any link you give. It may be YouTube page, it can be your website page, any link you can give. So that's it. That was the here. This is a Vidyapeetham, so teachers are there and students can come and join whichever classes they are supposed to attend. Hare Krishna. And one point more, adding of teachers is only with the administrator, so you have to contact administrator, and administrator will add more teachers if you want. And there is a refresh button also if you are waiting for someone to become live, and you can, it will automatically come, but if you don't want to wait, then you can refresh. Hare Krishna.